With the S24 Ultra, Samsung's greatest selling point will be Galaxy AI. The largest zoom update in the previous 5 years will be introduced by the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung is about to release a new flagship phone that will replace the 10x zoom found on the last 4 generations of Galaxy S models. The phone will be a 50-megapixel 5x zoom with a larger sensor size. Samsung hopes to surpass all previous zoom levels with its new sensor, ultimately achieving the finest zoom quality available in the 5 to 10x range. Now, Samsung is making more changes to zoom than just this. The S24 Ultra's newly optimized 200-megapixel sensor will feature Samsung AnyPlay Zoom, a brand new technology that the company just formally unveiled. With 4K video, you may now increase the magnification from 1 to 4x without sacrificing quality. In addition, you will be able to select any frame you like from any 4K video you have recorded on your phone, crop it by 4 times, and have 2 distinct videos in your gallery. Additionally, this zoom will feature AI tracking, which means that even when you're shooting in 1x mode, the phone will automatically crop the moving subject by 4x to ensure complete tracking. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will only use has a faster GPU clock speed than the standard 8 Gen 3 variant found in other phones. The GPU capabilities of the S24 Ultra will surpass those of the Apple A17 Pro while remaining on par with those of the Apple M1 laptop chip, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The titanium frame is the next item. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a genuine titanium frame on the sides, which is one of the greatest design modifications. As a result, the phone will be slightly lighter and more powerful than its predecessor. Regarding design modifications, Samsung intends to discontinue the S24 Ultra. Based on the live hands-on photos we have previously seen, the phone looks to have an even more svelte bezel than the S23 Ultra and a completely flat display with a record-breaking screen-to-body ratio. The brightest OLED panel Samsung has ever installed on the Galaxy flagship is the next item on our list. An OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2600 nits will be featured on all S24 models, not only the S24 Ultra. In addition to the S24 Ultra, Samsung is going above and above to include 120Hz LTPO refresh rate screen technology in the S24 Plus and regular S24 model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.